Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove open to work on LinkedIn. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to linkedin.com and make sure to sign in into your account. And now from here, just simply click on your profile at the top right over here. And now from here guys, a drop down will show up and just simply go for a view profile. Now guys, once you are on your profile, as you can see, you should be able to see here open to work. So guys, just simply click on this pencil icon over here and a pop-up will show up, and as you can see, you should be able to edit your job preferences over here. And now if we scroll down guys, as you can see, you will have an option here, the visibility. So guys, from here you can enable all LinkedIn members so they can see that you are open to work, or you can go for recruiters only, which it will be limited to people using LinkedIn Recruiter. So guys, from here you will have this option. But if you want to completely remove it guys, as you can see, you should be able to have an option over here, delete. So just simply go ahead and go for delete over here. And now after that, just simply go ahead and go for delete over here, and it is asking us if we are sure that we no longer need to have the open to work posted on our profile. So click on delete, and after that, as you can see, it will be removed. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.